everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to be talking about paper again. Oh no! Yeah, I talked about paper a couple weeks ago there. I had paper week. But this is a different type of paper. What I want to talk to you about is printer paper. A couple days ago, I talked about hard copies for all your documents and stuff. Well, if you don't have printer paper to print off the hard copies of other things that you need, you're going to be wishing you did. So get some printer paper so that you can print off hard copies of important documents and other things that you may need, because a lot of companies aren't sending you hard copies anymore. They're sending you PDFs because they're trying to save money on mailing out all these paper things. So they just do an email to you with your electronic PDF version. So get printer paper. Also, if you have a bunch of kids, if you have the cheap economic printer paper, hey, it makes great paper, great stuff for them to color on and keep them busy and out of your hair at times. All right, so printer paper has a lot of other uses as well. So before I take off, I'm going to put the link to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, up here. I'm going to put a couple playlists over here, one up here and one down here, that I think you'll find interesting and will help you get prepared so you don't end up like this.